Hey guys, just a quick video just to say that Door Close episodes will be coming soon again. And, well, obviously, they'll be of the Paxton system again. And they'll be of, well, that door over there as well. Which means the Door Closer episodes are going to be preferred in... Door Closer episodes are coming soon. So I will be able to do some different stuff. Thank you all for watching. This is just a short video just to say that the Paxton system is on its way. It's going to be over there. And I'm going to be doing some videos with that door closer over there. If you can see it, because obviously if you can see it with the, because obviously the light over there is off. And I always keep that light off, and I'm about to turn off the middle ones as well. But that's fine. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye, guys.